Hello friends, how are you? So friends, I would like to tell you the sequence and the manner in which we do personal work. So what happens friends, as you all know, we have a website. The website can be seen in the about section of the channel. You should always go and read the about section of any channel. In the about section of our channel, if you read the full description, you will get to know what we are, what I do, what my powers are, what my talents are. So first and foremost, step 1 is go and read the about section. When you will read the about section, you will find my email, you will find my website, you will also find my PayPal link over there. Apart from this, if you directly go to the website, you will also find all this information written over there in the about section or in the introduction section for what I do, who I am, in very good detail. So now coming to what we do or what I do. The first and foremost service that we provide is the twin flame reading. The current price for the twin flame reading is 180 United States dollars. You can pay in any currency equivalents, but that is the current running price of the twin flame reading. Now, if you go to the website, under the description of the reading, you will find small material written, and that will fully explain to you what we do when we actually read for you or what kind of content is provided to you. Then, what we recommend is that first and foremost, you take the reading from us. Then, we proceed to the inner work list. Now, some clients ask us for the inner work list first and foremost. They feel that they don't need the reading because, after all, if they just have to do inner work to reach union, they might as well just get the inner work list directly. Now, that is okay, but in some cases, when we go to the inner work list directly, we are not able to channel the inner work list for your particular case. The divine or the universe tells us that first and foremost, I would like to tell you the futuristic twin flame reading of that person or that couple, and then I will go to the inner work list. And in some cases, the universe provides us with the inner work list directly, in which case you may be able to save the money of the twin flame reading. But we do not recommend that for many people, because once and for all, we get all your information in the twin flame reading, all your future, so we can also plan your other activities in a much better way if we were to just omit the twin flame reading as a first step and directly go to the second step, that is the inner work list. Now, both the twin flame reading and the inner work list are channeled from the universe directly for you. There is no role of me in that channeling actually, as a person or as a ego self or as whatever you may call it. It is directly channeled for you. Whatever comes in the channeling, whatever messages come from the universe are directly given to you in the form of a word document. Some other details are also given in the twin flame reading and the inner work list as a prefix and a suffix, so that you understand the process quite well. Now, once you have the twin flame reading, which is 180 American dollars, the inner work list, a basic one, is 80 American dollars, and an advanced inner work list is also available, which is 225 American dollars. Now, there is a difference between the basic list and the advanced list in the matter that the basic one would give you probably your inner work for the next 1 year or 2 years, and an advanced inner work list may be able to give you inner work for the next 5 years. Let's say, even if your union is going to happen before those 5 years, still inner work is not just for twin flame union. It might also pertain to your own self or your twin's own self or your individual journeys. So it advanced inner work list is basically a wider perspective, and it is up to you if you can afford that. I would recommend that. If you cannot afford it, I would recommend the 80 USD one. So after we give you both these things, then we come to the inner work sessions, or the healings, what you call in general term, or the package, the inner work package. Now what is the difference between inner work sessions and an inner work package? You can avail the inner work healings, or the shadow work healings, or whatever you want to call them, dark night of the soul healings. You can avail them one by one in a continuous manner. Let's say we give you a list of 10 sessions or 5 sessions. You can avail them one by one, meaning that you can pay for them one by one, and it will be sent to you in the form of small word documents, or sometimes even a small audio. The reading and the inner work list is generally a word document. We seldom do audios, but healings can be small audios or a word document. It depends on what we are aligned with at that time. It does not depend on what you want. So the sessions you can pay for continuously one by one. The package is just another name of sessions piled together. Let's say our clients want to pay for all the 10 sessions together, and they want them to be done in a continuous manner for the next 1 or 2 or 3 months. Then we can also take on a package. Let's say there are 5 sessions, so a person who maybe wanting to pay for them one by one, we also encourage that. And if a person wants to pay us for 5 sessions all together and be done with the payment, and then the rest comes to us, it can also be done in that way. So this is the whole sequence of things which I wanted to tell you for a personal channeling, for a personal journey. So we are not those kind of this channel, or the way I work for Twin Flames, we have a whole program for you. We have the reading, we have the inner work list, we have the inner work package of sessions. We give you complete hand holding. We are not tarot card readers that we just provide the reading and then what to do about those patterns or obstacles we don't tell you. So we have a whole program for you, and then additional to that, we also have follow-up readings. So it's not like you can just take one twin flame reading, which is 180 USD. You can also take follow-ups. The follow-up at this time is 120 and 88. So it depends. If a person, I encourage you to come not less than 2 months. Not less than 2 months, because it is only in 2 months that your energy will change. So let's say you took a reading from me in August, so you can come not before October again to me, that I want to get the energies checked again, and then you will fall into the follow-up category of 120. If you come the third time, you will fall in the category of follow-up in the 88 USD category. So this is how our program works. And if, like, I recommend that everybody should read the about section of the channel, everybody should read the introduction and the about section on the website to know me more. And everybody should also read all the spiritual services that we have. We are LGBT friendly, we are elderly friendly. So read all the spiritual services on the website, and you will know what all material is available from my side that I have already worked on. We work globally. We have clients from all over the world. I used to live in the United States before. That is where all this work began in 2014. I have been a spiritual master from 2006 actually. So it has been those many number of years of work. But the channel was started in the United States, and most of my clientele was in the United States and in the UK and Australia and Canada, more in the Western world. Right now I'm living in India, but I still cater to all those clients, and all of our work is done from afar. It is 100% authentic work as far as what I do, meaning that I would not, if I'm short of time or something, it is not like I would send you just some random document. I will tell you that it needs time. Generally, channelings, personal channelings take a lot of time. Sometimes they may come in 30 days, sometimes they may come in 20 days. It is not like a quick fix. It is not a 1 or 2 day reading, 1 or 2 day time gap, but it is 100% authentic. I tell all my clients that take every word as the truth. because it is directly channeled. I don't do slimy work, you know. So when I do a channeling for somebody, for personal people, for personal journeys, I tell you that take every word as the ultimate truth and then work on your journey, whatever. Don't think that I am the one who's giving you that channeling, so should you believe on it, or how much you should believe on it. The universe is giving you that channeling, you know. Myself is not in it when I channel, you know. So it is not me who is telling you all that, or you know, me as a person who's telling you all that. It's actually the universe telling you all that. So I tell all of my clients, if I were you, you know, I haven't found somebody like me for my own self. Let's say if I was to get read in any area of my life, I haven't found anybody like me, you know. If you know anybody like me, let me know, you know, so that I can go to that person for my own life, you know. I haven't found anybody like me who can tell you such concrete details and tell you sure short, you know, what is going to happen or what is not going to happen. So I tell everybody that if you're investing this money, you're actually investing it because you're going to know, you know, what the truth is, and then you can march forward according to your reading. You know, whatever comes in your reading, then you can order the inner work list, then you can do the sessions, you know, if you feel like doing it, you know. So this is what I had to say. It was very important for me to tell all this to my viewers, and I wish you all the best, and please follow the steps that I told you in this. Go to the about section of the channel and go to the introduction of the website, go to the spiritual services on the website. At least have an idea. You don't need to book right away. At least have an idea of what we do, what we provide, you know. If you're viewing my channel, you should also know about me. You should view my website. You should know what the methods of payment are. So we have a PayPal method of payment which we highly appreciate. But if somebody doesn't do PayPal, and if they're in a country where PayPal doesn't work or their bank is not affiliated to PayPal, we can give you a direct account transfer information as well. You can email us for that because that is not yet on the website. We will be updating it soon, however. So these are the things I wanted to tell you. At least be in touch, read the material, because you know, if one day you want to order a reading, then you will go to the website and you will read all the material. It will be like a jam packed thing in your brain. So know your person first, know the reader first, know what they are like, you know. And then if, let's say, someday 2 months down the line, you want to order something, you know that this is the person, I've read about them a lot, I've seen their work, and I'm going to order from them, and I'm going to know what is going to come through, or the kind of content, or they're going to send me a Word document, or they're going to send me what, you know. And so that is why it is very important to know a person prior. You can't do everything in one, and these twin flame journeys put you in emergency situations where you cannot do without a reading, you know. One day, you know, that day comes in everybody's life, and it comes multiple times, you know. So you should be aware of who your options are, or who you can go to, you know, at in those times of need, where you can get a reading from, where you can actually believe what will come out in the reading or the inner work list or the session will be true information or not, you know. So with that, my folks, I take a due from you. My love is always with you.